Hello, all. Today, I want to talk to you about how user experience plays a crucial role in product management. Let us say you want to manufacture a sports water bottle. You would obviously focus on three areas: the product, the interface, and the design. Since the focus of our video is on the design, let us try and understand how to build the greatest ever sports bottle. Think of a great UX as the intersection between usefulness, usability, and desirability. To elaborate on these three parameters, I'll be using another water bottle as well and explain to you how both of these water bottles differ in terms of usefulness, usability, and desirability. Now, let's talk in terms of usefulness. Both of these water bottles can obviously hold water. So, both of them fit the usefulness parameter. The second parameter is the usability parameter. This particular water bottle is obviously useful, but this one is a lot better in terms of its usability. It's got the ability to sip, and it also has the ability to add flavor to the water. So I think we have a clear winner here. So in terms of desirability, amongst both of these, if it's kept in a shopping mall, this is better desirable because of its design and the purpose it solves. So I feel this has got much better user experience than this one. Obviously, this is not the best designed water bottle by any mile, but it still gets the job done and is a lot better than this particular water bottle. A golden rule in user experience is that it is all about the user. Think what the user wants, not what you want to design. Now, let us understand what is the process that is involved in user experience. I'd start with understanding, followed by brainstorming, and then testing, and finally implementation. During the understanding phase, user research, fieldwork, watching and learning from the user's behavior, all of these plays a huge role. Our goal during this phase is to understand the user perspective and understand what is perceived value for the user. The next phase is brainstorming. This could be a meeting between product peers, UI, UX designers, and engineers who are involved in building this product. At the end of this phase, you would have something called a wireframe. This wireframe generally would be at a high level, and along with this, we would have a hypothesis built. The next phase is the testing phase. This is the phase where we test the hypothesis that we've built. We perform different types of testing, including A/B testing, hypothesis testing, user acceptance testing with a smaller audience. We finish off all these types of testing, and then we go to the final phase called the implementation phase. In this phase, we convince the UI team and other stakeholders of the solution that we have built. During this phase, the entire user interface development gets completed, and then the design is reviewed, approved, and then is moved to production. So this is a gist of how the user experience lifecycle works. It's not one user that we should be focused on. It should also be the environment in which the user operates. If we are building a lending solution, then we have to think about the lender, the borrower, lender's ability to provide capital, borrower's ability to repay. All of these comes into equation. I hope this video has provided clarity as to what user experience is in the field of product management. If you want to learn more about user experience, product management, and project management, I recommend you to stay tuned to this channel. Until next time, this is Vijay signing off.